Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something a little different. We're going to explore the structure of a typical day for two busy people, Maria and Roberto. By looking at their routine, we might just find some inspiration for our own schedules, or at least appreciate the rhythm of daily life. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Their day begins bright and early at 6 o'clock in the morning. That's when the alarm goes off for both Maria and Roberto. They wake up and get dressed, preparing to face the day ahead. Waking up at 6 gives them a solid head start, allowing them to ease into their morning without feeling rushed. It's a quiet time, a moment to gather their thoughts before the world outside fully wakes up. How many of you are early risers like them? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious to see who's part of the early bird club. By 7 o'clock, they're sitting down for breakfast. We all can know it's the most important meal of the day, right? It fuels their bodies and minds for the hours of work ahead. After they finish eating, they move on to another crucial morning task, making their lunches. This simple act of preparation is a great way to save money and ensure they have a healthy, homemade meal later in the day. It's a small investment of time in the morning that pays off big time in the afternoon. It also means they have complete control over what they eat, which is a huge plus. At 8 o'clock, it's time to head out. Maria and Roberto go to work. Their commute marks the official start of their professional day, a transition from the calm of home to the buzz of their respective workplaces. They'll spend the majority of their day focused on their jobs, contributing their skills and energy. The 8-hour workday is a standard for many, a block of time dedicated to their careers and responsibilities. It's the core of their weekday structure. The workday ends at different times for them, which is very common for many couples. Maria gets home first at 5:30 in the evening. This gives her a little bit of time to decompress after her day. Maybe she uses this time to unwind, catch up on a podcast, or start tidying up. It's her personal window to transition back into home life before Roberto arrives. Having that solo time can be really valuable for recharging your social battery. Roberto's workday is a bit longer. He gets home at 7 o'clock. By the time he walks through the door, they're both ready to reconnect and share stories from their day. Soon after he arrives, they sit down together to eat dinner. This is a key moment in their daily routine. It's not just about the food, it's about connection. Sharing a meal is a timeless way for people to come together, talk, and strengthen their bond. It's their time to check in with each other, away from the demands of work. Finally, as the evening winds down, they start preparing for bed. Their day concludes at 10:30 at night. They go to bed ready to rest and recharge for another day. Getting a full night's sleep is just as important as that early start. It completes the cycle, ensuring they refreshed and ready to do it all over again when the alarm rings at 6 o'clock. This consistent sleep schedule helps maintain their energy levels and overall well-being. So there you have it, a snapshot of Maria and Roberto's daily life. It's a simple, structured routine, but it's filled with moments of productivity, connection, and rest. What does your daily routine look like? Is it similar or completely different? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next one. See you soon.